Good morning students, welcome to our channel Pipasa Pathshala. Today we will write an English essay on life in the town. Sahara Jibana. Town life is very busy but pleasant. Sahara Jibana ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ କିନ୍ତୁ ସୁଖକର. Life is very fast in a town. ସହରରେ ଜୀବନ ଅତି କ୍ଷିପ୍ର. We can get all sorts of useful things easily in a town. ଆମେ ସହରରେ ସମସ୍ତ ସାମଗ୍ରୀ ସହଜରେ ପାଇପାରୁ. There are schools, colleges, hospitals and government offices in the town. ସହରରେ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ, ମହାବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ, ଚିକିତ୍ସାଳୟ ଓ ସରକାରୀ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାଳୟ ଥାଏ. Most of the houses in town are buildings. ସହରର ଅଧିକାଂଶ ଘର ପକ୍କା. Roads in towns are wide and ପକ୍କା. ସହରର ରାସ୍ତା ଚଉଡ଼ା ଓ ପକ୍କା. There are electricity and water supply in towns. ସହରରେ ବିଜୁଳି ଓ ଜଳ ଯୋଗାଣ ଥାଏ. There are many opportunities to earn money. ଏଠାରେ ରୋଜଗାରର ବହୁ ସୁଯୋଗ ଥାଏ. But peace of mind is absent in the town. ସହରରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମନର ଶାନ୍ତି ନଥାଏ. This is all about the essay Life in the Town. Thank you.